Nestled on over 1/3 acre in the highly desirable the Fairways neighborhood, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is a rare find. There is a brand new HVAC system, January 2025, and the roof was replaced in 2022. Step inside to discover a spacious and open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The kitchen flows seamlessly into the living room, creating a warm and inviting space for gatherings. The large primary suite features a jacuzzi tub, separate shower, dual sinks, and plenty of closet space. Enjoy outdoor living at its finest with a fenced backyard, perfect for pets and play, and a covered patio ideal for relaxing or hosting friends and family. Located just minutes from the villages, this home offers convenient access to shopping, dining,